that the society should never seek to break up the gangs, but to give the gangs the right idea. Set a code within the community if you really do believe in Rastafarianism and if you really do believe in Islam. Why not take the good out of it? Why not look at how the banking is done? Why can't we pool our money together, open a fund, then put the young brothers into business and open a security company and then get contracts in an honest way? And then with that money that we make from that, pool it together again and build a supermarket. We built a 6,000 square foot building ourselves with no government support, nor major corporate support. We can do it again in each of our communities with all these young soldiers, beautiful young black brothers. Let us unite, settle our differences, come together and work with one another, because crime is a business in Trinidad and Tobago. Because every time you, black brother, get arrested, whether you are Muslim or Rasta, the Syrians make $40 million a year just to take you back and forth between the court and the prison. Every time they delay your case, the Syrians make more money in transportation to the tune of tens of thousands of dollars every single day. When your cases get delayed, the Indian lawyers get paid more, so they become richer, while the Chinese, who own some of the supermarkets along with some of the Trinidad whites, supply the prisons with some of the items that they need in order to operate. So we just getting arrested. We just going to jail. Dr. Darius Figueroa said there's not one top-level African drug lord in Trinidad and Tobago. They are all either white, Chinese, Indian, or Syrian, but almost 100% of people within the prison population who were there for drug offenses are Africans. Imagine that. Mainly Indian businessmen bringing in all the compressed marijuana with the chemicalized heroin in it. None of them going to jail. Only African youths going to jail. But the African youths who are in jail fighting each other. How stupid can you possibly be to fall into those kinds of traps, see the truth of it, and still sink yourself even deeper into those kinds of traps? Wake up, black people.